Alright y'all, so let's take the shoes out of the dust bag, and when I do take the shoe out, this is what it looks like. Sheesh, y'all, look at this color. Look at this shoe. What's up, 2 fam? Welcome back to the channel. How y'all been? How y'all feeling? I've been great. I'm feeling good. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2FlyB, and today I got another lit video for y'all today, as y'all see by the title. Without further ado, let's go and hop into it. Alright, 2Fly fam, here's the box. Y'all seen a lot of gray boxes on my channel. Y'all know it's a Balenciaga box. This is the full box. I don't know what happened to my box during shipping, but this is the box. Also, y'all know, man, in the front, if something is scratched off here, that's because the item was on sale, but they didn't sell it to us for the sale price. This is the Balenciaga Crocs pool rubber slide, the rubber Crocs, and the colorway of this is grass green. Taking the top off. First thing we're greeted with, let me show y'all how it's looking. This is what it looks like when I take the top off. I have this Balenciaga tag here. Then it comes with this letter here that says Balenciaga, just a white envelope, Balenciaga in black. Open this up, and it's just a letter from Balenciaga, which says, Balenciaga, thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. Alright y'all, now as I'm unboxing it, this is what it looks like. Both the shoes have a dust bag on it. This is shoe 1. This is the second shoe. You see, boom, going, and that's it. That's in the box. All right, y'all. So let's take the shoes out of the dust bag, and when I do take the shoe out, this is what it looks like. Sheesh, y'all, look at this color. Look at this shoe. But hold on, we finna get to the shoe. Let me take the other one out, the dust bag. Take this one out too. We're gonna put both the dust bags in the box. Close the box up. Quick 360 before I get in depth with the shoe and get into the details. There's a quick 360 around it. This is a nice color. Like I said, the colorway of this green is called a grass green. Now I decided to go with this colorway because I felt as though it was different, and I don't have any shoe this color. First, y'all already know, gotta get my thumbnail. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright y'all, got the thumbnail. Hopping straight into it. This is an all rubberized shoe. You see the sole, thick sole, so it's gonna give you some height. You're gonna be off the ground. You gotta watch your feet being on the ground. On the side is nothing. You have 2 holes here on the right. On the front, see it's open. You do see the footbed ridges. On the front of the shoe, you just have Balenciaga. On the inner side of the shoe, you have 1 hole here. So it is perforated holes in the shoe. All around your feet will be getting air. On the back, it has the size, which is my size here, which is a 10. In the inside of the footbed, it says Balenciaga here. And you just have the ridges, like I was telling you. On the bottom, it says made in China. Then it says Balenciaga. It's designed in collaboration with Crocs. See that? And this is the grass green rubber slide. Now I'm sending me out the country, on an island, at the beach, on some sand, walking a river walk or something, you know what I'm saying? Walking near the beach, but out the country for sure. This shoe just gives me out the country vibes, man. You know I like different shoes. On the top, you just have like little ridges, even on the top going around here, like you see these little ridges. Even on the side, it's the same that's in the inside of the footbed. And these ridges is going around the shoe. Going around the shoe. This is the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Picking up the left shoe, the exact same as the right. Well, clearly. Outside left side, you have 2 holes here. Back to the front on the top, it has Balenciaga. I like how the Balenciaga is not a different color. It's all solid. So yeah, you can see it's Balenciaga, but it's not sticking out. Like, it's not, this shoe is not doing too much. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. You know what I'm saying? So I like that factor about it. Have the ridges on the side, going around the shoe, even above Balenciaga. And the inside, you can see the ridges. It's like gonna make the shoe comfortable, so that way your feet is not sliding while it's in the shoe. The side as well, ridges going around to the back, has the size. On the bottom says the same, made in China, Balenciaga, designed in collaboration with Crocs. Inside it says Balenciaga, ridges as well. So this is the shoe, Too Fly fam, and I know some people want to know the price on items. This shoe do retail for $595. That's the price before tax. And I look forward to styling this shoe and wearing it. All right, Too Fly fam, that was it for the review on the Balenciaga rubber Croc slide. Let me know y'all opinion on them, how y'all feel about the shoe. Would y'all wear it? Would y'all not? They do have this shoe in other colorways. They have like a brown beige color. I think that colorway is nice. They have a black. They have another green colorway, but that's the green I decided to go with. I like that over the other green. Like I said, I do got black, but I didn't want another black shoe. I always go with black shoes. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, get some colors that I don't have, you know, just to bring out my creative side. I'm finna hop into the on feet portion of this video. I appreciate y'all spending y'all time with me. If y'all haven't subscribed already, subscribe. If y'all have subscribed, y'all know I see y'all. Appreciate y'all, Too Fly fam. If you knew you think about subscribing, you finna subscribe now, go ahead. Welcome to the fam, man. It's lit over here. We be fly over here. Don't forget, guys, let's stay connected on social media. My TikTok, my Instagram is 2FlyB. Snapchat, FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Also, if y'all was wondering what sunglasses I had on today to go on, I got on my off-white Johns. Put them on just so y'all can see them. Y'all peeping. You peep the off-white sunglasses with the off-white tee. Yes, sir. Rest in peace to Virgil. But yeah, that's it, man. It's your boy 2FlyB. I'm finna get out of here. Make sure y'all take care of y'all self. I love y'all. Stay prayed up. I'm gone.